Inside your community, you should have 3 pinned posts to your community, and this will sit right up top of your community up here in the community page, right? So I'm going to teach you how to pin a post. So we're going to come on down to this one here. I'm currently offering some free help for my members. And all we do is click on the 3 dots and we're going to come on down here, pin to feed, pin, boom. Right, now it'll come up down the bottom, pinned. There you go, see it's got a yellow square around your pinned post. So what you want is a welcome post, introduce yourself post, and ask for questions post. If you're just starting out, if you've been in a little while, you're sure you want your welcome post, okay? But you also want to have this inside your classroom, okay? If we go over to the classroom, have it in here, have the link in here. Then they click on the link, it drives them back to the community. So if you could think of a circle, right, you're sending them around that circle, but it gives the community the opportunity to answer them back, all right, and you're starting to get engagement in your community. Hopefully this has helped. I've had some people reach out and ask me to do this video, so I don't mind doing it, not at all. So I hope this has helped, and I look forward to communicating more with you all.